Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS Remedy. Here Mansimran Singh is your host and host and teacher also, who will teach you about IELTS. So let's begin. Hi guys, my name is Mansimran Singh and in this video I'm gonna teach you that how to write a perfect introduction for any of your IELTS writing task 2. So friends, there I have taken a topic about the people who are using mobile phone in a large quantity. There are two type of people who want that people to use that mobile phones in very large quantity, and the other people want that not to use that mobile phone because these are devastating for them. So I have made my own introduction for this topic, and also I have given you the general lines in which you can fit your ideas to score more bands. So let's get started. So I have started my introduction with one of the most conspicuous vogue nowadays is a colossal upsurge, and after that there will be dash, and by the opine of some folks there would also be dash after that. However, by the assertions of opposers, there would be dash. This essay shall attempt to explain the key factors of this notion. So let's start. One of the most conspicuous vogue nowadays is a colossal upsurge in the usage of smartphones in pupils. The word pupil I have used is denoted for the people who are student. Okay, so always keep in your mind that you have to give your task response very well. So that's why I have used the usage of smartphone in pupils, not only the usage of smartphones. Okay, after that I've written that by the opine of some folks. Folks mean people, opine mean opinion. Okay, it is devastating the precious academical phase of students. The word devastating which I have used is denoted for the destroying. The precious academical phase. So what is this academical phase? This academical phase means the period in which the people read. It means it is their schooling time, or it is their college or university life in which they can learn better. And after that I've written however. So it is the basic part where you will criticize both the ideas by writing however. Before this I have given you my first idea of the people who think that usage of mobile phone is bad, and after that I have given you the second idea in which the people are asking that the usage of mobile phone is very good. Now what they ask, let's read. However, by the assertions of opposers, mobiles are the best source of getting knowledge. This essay shall attempt to explain the key factors of this notion. In this they are writing that mobile phones are the best source of getting knowledge. It is a very simple idea which you can also give in this topic. And also I have given this line that this essay shall attempt to explain the key factors of the given notion. The meaning of this line is that in this essay there will be an attempt to give the proper facts, details and the knowledge about the given notion. Notion means the topic. I hope you have extracted your knowledge from this video. So if you like this video, then click the like button and share with the needy one. It would be very helpful for the people with whom you will share this video. So if you want to indulge in my online or offline program of IELTS, then please do contact on 99147 89567 anytime. You can also do me WhatsApp, or you can also call me at that number. And in last, please do subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.